storm is getting worse.
Yes, I am glad we are inside.
Shh. Did you hear that? Hear what? The thunder? No. A small sound. Like a baby crying.
Wait, I hear it too.
Let me check.
Look! Down there! Oh no! It's a tiny kitten! It is so wet, and it is shaking.
We cannot leave it outside. It is freezing.
Careful. It might be scared.
It's okay, little one. You are safe now.
It is so dirty. Is it black or brown?
Let's clean him up. Gently.
Wow! Look! It is orange and white. He is so fluffy now.
No collar. No name tag. It is a stray cat.
He is very hungry.
He is eating so fast.
Kids, listen. We can feed him tonight, but we can't keep him.
What? Why? He has nowhere to go.
A pet is a big responsibility. It takes time and money. Don't look at me like that. I am not the boss. Oh.
Look at Dad.
He likes you, Dad.
He is very warm and soft.
Please, Dad.
We have to clean the litter box. Do you promise?
We promise. So, if he stays, he needs a name. Tiger! Tiger!
No, too small for Tiger. How about Sunny?
Sunny? Why Sunny?
Because he brings sunshine.
Okay, welcome to the family, Sonny.